How to sign up in Idle Heroes. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you want to sign up Idle Heroes game without any confusion, then the first thing to do is to launch open Idle Heroes on your device, and once you're inside this main homepage, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right and click on Settings. I'm currently using my guest account. Now in order to sign up, click on the sign up button and enter an email address you want to sign up with. Once you are done, head over to the password field and enter the password for your account. Create a strong password and confirm the password once again in the next field. Finally, click sign up and you have successfully signed up in Idle Heroes. Now your progress will be saved and you are ready to begin your journey in Idle Heroes. By signing up, you can save your progress across devices even if you switch device. That is how you easily sign up for Idle Heroes in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.